This video is an installation guide for the LG OLED C and SC9S Soundbar. The SC9S Soundbar Bracket can be installed as a wall mount or stand type. This video is a guide for the stand type. First, open the box and check the components in the box. Check if all the components on the screen are in the box. It's time to attach the soundbar stand. First, insert 3 protruding parts in the spacer to the front bracket. Combine front bracket and spacer by fixing 2 short screws. Place the soundbar box on the floor. Place a soft fabric on top of the box and lay the soundbar upside down. Let's put the soundbar and the stand together now. First, connect the HDMI cable. Connect the DC in cable through the front bracket from the outside. Then, take out the HDMI cable through the front bracket. Please place the bracket following the guideline on the bottom of the soundbar. Now fasten the 2 short screws to put them together. Okay, shall we bring the TV now? Use a table and place a soft fabric on top to protect the screen. Hold the top and the bottom of the TV and bring it to the table. Make sure the back of the TV is facing up. If your TV is a stand type, you have to remove the C2, C3 stand. Remove the cover on the back of the TV. Then, using a screwdriver, remove the screws. Align the 2 hooks on spacer into the TV. Fasten 4 long screws in the holes located on the 2 TV line. Finally, align the 4 holes on the rear bracket to the front bracket. And use a screwdriver to fasten the 4 short screws. Place the cables from the soundbar through the rear bracket hole. Connect cables to the TV, referring to the manual. All enclosed screws are required to fasten the bracket, and at the end of the process, there shouldn't be any leftover screws. Check for any remaining screws. When connecting the soundbar to a power source, 2 white LEDs will be displayed. Now connect the power cable to the subwoofer. On the back of the subwoofer, a green light will be blinking. When the green light turns solid, the soundbar is connected. If the LED light blinks red, press the pairing button to fix the problem. It's all set. Good job. Enjoy your LG TV and LG soundbar experience.